Let's talk about grapefruit peel and grapefruit peel tea. You know, it's a great antiviral, great immune booster, and lots more, and all free.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, let's talk about grapefruit peel. But before I get into that, I wanted to talk about my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. You know, it just came out. It's on pre-sale now. And if you want to cut your chances of having cancer, 3 out of 5 people that you know are going to come down with cancer. Now, we just had a friend come down with breast cancer. And if you want to cut your chances, by 1,000%, you want to buy my book. This is not about rocket science. This is really about living a life where you can really cut your chances down of having cancer and really enjoying life. So go to Amazon. Down below in the first comment, I'll put the link to actually get my first few copies of my book and read it. You will really be amazed of the simple things that you can do to cut your chances of having cancer. Now let's talk about grapefruit peel. Grapefruit peel tea. This is some tea I made from some dried grapefruit peel. Absolutely wonderful. I put a little honey in here. Really great. And there's a lot of health benefits. You don't need, most of the people throw away the peel. It's free, healing quality things that you can get from it. Powerful, lots of antioxidants. It contains lots of wonderful Nigerian for cardiovascular disease and strokes and preventing DNA damage. Full of lots of vitamin C. It's an antiviral. Lots and lots. There's a study in food chemistry showing that the peel actually has 3 compounds, Nigerian, hesperin, and ascorbic acid in it. Lots of vitamin C. Also, in 2013, a ResearchGate, tea works great. If you heat the actual peel itself, it actually brings out more antioxidants. So, like a lot of things, you might disturb them, but not with grapefruit peel. So, really great. Easy to extract out the actual antioxidants too. And another study in National Institute of Health in 2016, you could also freeze dry it and get all these good things out of it. And also going to be using for supplements for vitamins and minerals and that type of thing too. More totally free antioxidants and then most agents that you have. And another study in 2016, the National Institute of Health showed that lots of flavonoids, flavonols, lots of bioactivity compared to other things that are on the market. And it's totally free. Powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, anti-allergy, and helps protect the heart and the nervous system and the liver and on and on and on. And low cost. What more can you get than you eat the grapefruit itself and you're going to throw away the peel anyway. So why don't you make tea with it? You could dry it and grind it up, put it in capsules. Just take a teaspoon of it with a little bit of water. Due to its low cost and availability as a waste product, they're thinking about using it as a food additive also. Rich in minerals. Another study in 2019 showed it lots of different things: potassium, phosphorus, manganese, calcium, zinc, and also some other minerals, a lot more trace minerals also, so on and on and on. Also contains, you wouldn't think so, bromelain, which is in pineapple. And this has a lot of bromelain, so it helps with pain. So drinking a little bit of grapefruit peel tea can get rid of your pain. So, wow, it's free. You can drink this, feel wonderful, and really be good. It's also anti-inflammatory, and it contains lots of anti-inflammatory compounds. Help for redness and swelling and pain, and helps with arthritis and joint pain. It's antiseptic, antiviral, antibacterial, and detoxing also. So if you want to have a lot of vitality and feel good and get rid of some of these things that are bothering you, you might want to use some grapefruit tea, peel tea, also in capsules too if you want. I have not seen it available. Might be available on Amazon and eBay, but grapefruit peels everywhere. Helps with youthful skin and helps to defoliate the skin itself. You can take some grapefruit peel from the white side and rub it on your skin. Also makes it youthful and more vital looking. It helps the skin to balance the pH, and it helps with psoriasis also. Lots of different things. So it alleviates itching when you have an insect bite and all kinds of things like that. Has a lot of pectin in it also, especially that white part of the skin. It really is good. It helps to lower cholesterol and helps for treating diarrhea also. Increases metabolism. If you drink a little cup of the grapefruit peel tea, you start actually burning more calories. So it contains a cantone, I hope I'm saying that right, metabolism agent, which actually speeds up weight loss. So, good grapefruit peel tea. So you want to lose that extra 5 pounds? It's also a diuretic. So it'll get rid of that water loss real fast. It's also, like I said, boosts up your immune system. If you want to protect yourself from the colds and flus, also other viral infections and things like that, it's really important to, you should take all these fruits, most of the fruits and most of the vegetables, a lot of the vitamins and minerals and trace minerals are all in the peel itself. That's one thing. I never peel my carrots. I just scrub them pretty good. And then I cut them up and put them in my soups and stews and things like that, because there were a lot of the vitamins there, especially with things like eggplant. That black part is really full of a powerful agent that's really good for preventing cancer. It's also a great diuretic, as I said, and accumulate excessive water. You can get rid of it. Also, this tea is very calming and soothing and helps with stress. So that's really good. And it also helps with children also and adults. So there's really no side effects at all. Helps with GI problems. Helps with the probiotics in your body. Helps with GI tract inflammation. So really great there. Also helps with breast cancer and prevents the spread of breast cancer cells and balances estrogen in the body too. So that's a really great thing. Estrogen is really a big problem because too much estrogen causes cancer. And I talk about that in my book. Also, osteoporosis, you can help with that with a particular agent which is in grapefruit fruit peel, and help to prevent bone loss. Also allergies, gets rid of those nagging, eyes that are always, itching and watering and a runny nose and that type of thing. Helps with respiratory infections, also, and getting rid of mucus and helping the lungs to open up. So another great thing. Also in traditional Chinese medicine, it helps to move qi or qi energy throughout the body. So that's a really important thing. Helps to remove phlegm and invigorates the intestines and the stomach and the liver and the heart, and clears the nasal passages at the same time in traditional Chinese medicine. Lots of vitamin C in this wonderful peel. There's no doubt about that. And so if you want to really boost up your vitamin C, which I think is really important to prevent lots of, colds, flus, and things, I really highly endorse taking a lot of vitamin C. Forms, you can get it in dried powder. You can get it the whole peel, after you peel your grapefruit. You can get it preserves. Marmalade, capsule, tablets, teas, powders. Actually, if you look closely, I bet you can find just about everything. You can make a pitcher of tea and keep it in the fridge for a few days. It's very refreshing. Most people, you want to take, if you're taking a powder, take it about 600 milligrams to 1,200 milligrams once a day. Or if you're making a tea, take a tablespoon of the dried grapefruit and with the white rind in part of it, because that's really important. That contains a lot of the vitamins and minerals. And put it into a cup of water, as hot water, and let it steep for 15 minutes, and then drink that 2 or 3 times a day. So it really makes a great tea. It really has a nice, pleasant, citrusy, taste to it. Really wonderful. Side effects? No side effects whatsoever. It's just the peel of a good old-fashioned grapefruit, so it's really not a problem. Some people have allergic reactions to such things, but you can have allergic reactions to anything. Finding it, most supermarkets, you can find things on Amazon and eBay. Just about grapefruit is available just about year-round, so you can find it in all kinds of different forms. So if you really want to boost up your immune system, help with viruses, all kinds of different things. If you want to, actually help with breast cancer and all kinds of stuff, you might want to try making some grapefruit peel tea. Actually, I added a bunch of honey in here, and so it really tastes great. So if you want to have something that's tasty, if something that's aromatic, it really has a great aroma to it, get some grapefruit and eat the fruit itself, and then keep the peel. You can dry it yourself. You can put it out in the sunlight, and that'll do a great job of drying it. You can buy a little dehydrator yourself on Amazon or eBay, and they work great. I have a little dehydrator myself, and really works great for drying things. You can buy dry grapefruit peel already chipped up in little tiny chips also, and use that for making tea. I used to make a lot of my own teas at one time, all kinds of different teas. In fact, I used to make a lot of chai tea, and so I made my own formulas. So you can do that also. If you want to get a hold of me, want to do a consultation, I ask for a $50 donation, and we'll get you on the road to feeling great. I have a lot of people who have really felt terrible, and within a month or so, we really make the huge progress, and they're over the hump, and they're feeling fantastic. So let's get you going that way too. So I look forward to your call. My contact information is at the end of the video, or you can hit show more. You can find it down there. Remember 2 things. Remember God, and remember I love you.